Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the software update deployment status dashboard that is offered to Right-Click Tools Enterprise Edition users. The software update deployment status dashboard is going to give you an all-in-one place to view the status of software updates across your environment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard itself here. We are in the Config Manager console under the Assets and Compliance tab. We can see that we have a Recast software node here. We'll go ahead and expand that and open our software update deployment status. From here we can select a collection to view the software updates for. So we'll go ahead and select a collection, kick that off. So under our dashboard we actually have some ability to limit what we're viewing. So we can go ahead and limit it to only deployed updates, as well as we can limit it down to certain update groups. With the slider, we can actually view updates that are older than a certain amount of days. So we could go ahead and take a look at updates that are older than 14 days. That might give us a better picture of where we're at compared to just looking at stuff that maybe we just deployed yesterday. We can also go ahead and select or deselect which types of updates we want to view here. So we could pull out, maybe we don't want to see definition updates, we can pull that out of here by clicking on it. The right hand side here, we're going to get missing updates by category. With our device compliance status pie chart here, we can go ahead and select pieces of the pie to see the devices that are within those. So we could go ahead and open the non-compliant section here, and we'll get all the devices that are not compliant. From within here, we can actually go ahead and expand to see all of these software updates that are available to this device. And we can actually right click on the device here and go to Client Tools and click Install Missing Software Updates. And that will pull up our Remote Software Center. From here we can actually go ahead and install this update if we need to, and we can actually take a look to see if maybe it's already installed and waiting for a reboot, or any error codes, if there are any error codes present. Another great thing about this dashboard is if we're running Recast Management Server, we can actually pull a snapshot of this into a web report. Then we could pass this off to maybe our security team to give them updates as to where we sit on software updates without having to give them any access into Config Manager itself.